Hello, welcome to my fourth ACL tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial, I want to look at how to use the total command for your data analysis. In this project, we have our array table from our previous tutorial. We want to use the total command to find out the total transaction amount we have in here. So to use the total command gives us the summation, the sum of a numeric field. So for you to use the total command, you need to go to the Analyze tab, then click on Total, then click on Total Fields. Because total commands are used on only numeric fields, that's why you see only the numeric fields in the selected fields space here. So for you to total on the amount, double click on it or click on it and click on this arrow for it to appear here where you have the selected fields. Then you click on OK, then you click on OK again. So it says this is the total. We have 468,880.69. This is the total transaction we have in this whole data. So you can also total with a condition. In ACL, all the commands you have in ACL can be done with a condition. So the if condition also applies to this total command. So we can decide to total only transaction from type CN or type AN. We can decide to total transactions that occurred on a particular day or between some particular date range. It means that we are totaling, but we want to add other conditions to it. So if it meets the condition before, the total command should work. So we want to total all transaction with type as IN. We want to know the total for all transaction with type as IN. So we go to our Analyze tab again, then our total, click on the total fields, click on the field you want to total, move it to the selected fields, click on OK. Then because we are totaling with a condition, you click on the if. Once you click on the if, it brings you this expression builder. So this is where we are going to build our expression, just like we did in our previous tutorial. So here the condition you want to look at is, we want to know the total amount of all transactions with type IN. So I select the field, I double click on it, I say type equal, then I bring my double quote, I say IN, close it. Now if you total this, one thing you must also remember, or you need to always take note of, is this expression. We say type equal IN. The IN is in caps. Now if you write it like this, you need to take note of what you are writing. You should make sure that you write it exactly how it appears in your table. If it is caps, it has to be caps. But there are other ways you can still work around it, which will not be any problem to you. So the more you're going, you will begin to introduce all those steps one after the other. But for this tutorial, you need to make sure that you type it in caps like this, as it's shown in your table. As shown in your table, like this, IN. If you type small letter here, you're going to get it wrong. So just take note. So once you have our type equal IN, just click on OK and then click on OK again. So it says that this is what the total transaction we have in this table. So once we are done, we just, if you want to view the details of all this transaction, just click on the link here and then it will give you the records of all the transactions that meet the criteria IN. Hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Kindly subscribe to my videos and like all my videos on YouTube. Post your comments on whatever updates you want me to do to assist you in your data analysis. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you in my next tutorial. Bye.